Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Witchyn. Today we are going to talk about soap nuts. What are soap nuts? Soap nuts are a berry that come from the soap nut tree. And we are going to talk about why I love soap nuts. And hopefully after this video, you'll try it and you'll love it too. Okay, so in here I have soap nuts and they look like this. And I have this little plate here and I'm going to pour them in the plate so that you get an idea of what they look like, okay? So these are soap nuts. Okay, so let's talk about soap nuts. Here we go. And as we talk about the soap nuts, I'm gonna start preparing the actual soap nuts to do a load of laundry. Okay, so this bag, you'll need a bag like this. I think these bags are called like muslin bags. Don't quote me, but they look like this. So you're gonna need one of these, okay? And you're gonna need 4 to 6 of these nuts, okay? Some people put 9, it's up to you. Put whatever you like. It's not a, a rule set in stone. Put as many soap nuts as you want, but 4 to 6 will do the job, okay? So soap nuts, we told you they're berry. Why are they called soap nuts? I don't know. It's said that because when they dry, these berries dry, they resemble a nut, so they just call them soap nuts. Okay, so inside of these little babies, they have something in it called saponin, and that is what causes the it's like a cleaning agent. It's like a soap that's like built inside of the soap nut. It's a natural soap, that the earth gave us. So once this is exposed to water, it will begin to allow the saponin to release and thus clean your clothes. The other good thing is, okay, let's see. Also, what else did I want to tell you? The other thing I wanted to tell you about the soap nuts is that if someone has allergies, right, these things are wonderful because 1, they're not nuts, 2, they're berries, and they're non-toxic. They don't have any chemicals. They don't have any, anything that you can really be worried or concerned about. I mean, this here to me is better than Draft. I mean, it's natural, it's clean, and it also has like a natural, what is it called? Fabric softener in it. So it's really still the same thing, saponin, but when it gets into the rinse cycle or whatever, a small amount of the saponin comes out and acts as a fabric softener. So you don't even need fabric softener with this. The other great thing that I love about this is that unlike regular laundry detergent, you can use this bad boy several times. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab yourself your nuts, okay? So I'm just dropping some in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, this could do, all right? But if you're new to soap nuts and everything and you're feeling a little nervous, don't worry. Add another one, 5, 6, this is like a double one, so we'll just do 6. And then if you want to go further, like I said, you can fill up your bag however you want, but you only need 4 to 6 nuts. I'm just telling you, okay? I'm just putting some in just for video's sake, and then you pull your bag and that's it. You can drop it in just like this. If you tie it, I'm just telling you, please be careful because for whatever reason, once the water gets into here, this thing can be really hard to untie. So if you do tie it, make sure it's a loose tie and you don't do it too tight because it's gonna be really hard to open it up once you're ready. You throw it in your wash, cut hot water on. They work better with hot water. I don't know why. Not that you can only use with hot water, but get it started, the packet started and activated with the hot water because more of that saponin is released. Throw it in your wash, hit go. Put your clothes in the dryer and then you can wash this again. Leave this in the washer. You don't even have to take it out. Throw some more in there. Hit go. Keep going, keep going, keep going until these things wilter down to very thin. It'll just start breaking down the shell. Let me see. I don't know if you can see. So when this shell nut thing starts getting really thin and squishy, then you can compost it, put it in if you don't have a compost, then throw it in the trash. Maybe in your garden or something like that. I don't know. I just throw them out, to be honest. But you can compost it, and that would be the best thing to do. Okay, what else do I want to tell you about soap nuts? If there ever is a time where you don't have any laundry detergent, you can use this. There's so many things that you can do with soap nuts. But today, we're going to stay focused and just stick with laundry detergent. It's cheaper. It's hypoallergenic. There's no chemicals, no foreign substances, and it actually does the job, okay? So the only thing I can say is that if you know you have like a really, really dirty load, or let's say your husband or you were in a garden or somewhere where it was really, really dirty clothes, use the original bag of soap nuts for your heavy, heavy, dirty washes, something that you know is dirty, or stain. Use a fresh thing of soap nuts. But if it's just regular, smegular clothes that you always wash, then just keep going. Either way, there's a learning curve to using these, but it's very easy, and I'll do maybe follow-up videos in the future on soap nuts. But I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you try soap nuts. If you do, please comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Have you used soap nuts? Have you ever heard about soap nuts? You know, the magic of nature, what nature has to offer us. There's really nothing that we as humans may need that nature hasn't already provided. And I hope these soap nuts are something that you like and that you enjoy and that you try. Okay, until we meet again, conjure on.